Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. As you can see here, we have the Z78 Ultra smartwatch. It is a Watch Ultra clone inspired design, but with a circular body frame. As you can see here, we have the side button here, we have the crown button, and we have here the orange action button. So it is a sports smartwatch and it features Bluetooth call. So we are going to check on that. As you can see here, we have dial pad, contacts, and call logs. We are also going to check the push notifications for this one. As you can see, we have messages here, SMS. We are going to check on that. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo of the Z78 Ultra smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. We are already paired with a support app. So it is using the RD Fit application here, and as you can see here, we are paired with the application. So let's check first with the notifications here, if you already enabled it or not. So phone, SMS, so it is activated here. WhatsApp application, let's activate the messenger also. So seems like everything is okay for the notifications. Let's see for the Bluetooth call if we have one, as well as the contacts here. So tap on the contacts. So let's add one. So let's add this one. So we already have here icon Sam, phone, and save. Let's see if it has been added here in our smartwatch contacts, and we have it here. So seems like everything is okay. So let's check here first, Bluetooth settings, and we have here the Z78 Ultra. We are connected, media audio, phone audio, and contact sharing. So let's start. Let's check. Let's go first with a WhatsApp application here. So where's our application? We have here. So let's send a message and see if we can receive a notification. Hello, Z78 Ultra. Again, this is our first time to check whether this feature works or not. We don't want to be biased in our. So we have here the message. So here, new message shows. So let's check, and we have the message here. So it double sent. It's this one. Checking for new messages, and we have the message here. Seems like the spacing here is not okay, but we have the message here. So we have an island here feature. So when you receive a message, it doesn't occupy all the screen here. You can see it here on top. Let's try another one. Hello again. As you can see here, new message. Tap on it, and we have hello again. So far it works, and we have here the logo. Let's see if we can access also here on the menu. So let's call. So you cannot answer it here, but you see a notification here. And so as you can see, we have a miss voice call. You can only receive notifications from the WhatsApp application. So far it works. Let's go with the messenger. Hello Z78 Z78 Ultra. Do we have a separate icon? Let's see. Or different icon. Sent. We have a new message here. Okay, so tap on it and we have here the message. Hello Z78 Ultra. As you can see, it has a different icon. Okay, how about the call? It's calling. As you can see here, so it also works. Okay, but you cannot answer it here, but you can receive a notification. Just end the call and sit. Okay, miss call from Sam. So it works. It's also provide a notification for the call. So it works with the WhatsApp application as well as the Messenger. Okay, go back. So you missed call from. Okay, let's go with the Bluetooth call. Okay, so let's check. So we have the dial pad, we have the contacts, we already added one here. We also have the call logs. Okay, here are the call history from Messenger and WhatsApp application. Okay, oh, we did not check if it works with SMS. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if it works with SMS. Hello Z78 Ultra SMS. Okay, let's see. Send. Did we receive a message? Okay, so we felt a vibration. So icon. Okay, it works with the SMS. As you can see here, we have a different logo. Okay, different logo for SMS, different logo for Messenger, as well as different logo for the WhatsApp application. Oh, okay, it can store only few messages on the phone. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, previous messages has been deleted. Okay, automatically deleted. Okay, to give way to a new messages. Okay, so it works for the SMS. How about the call? So let's try and call this number. So 09. Okay, as you can see here, it works. We can receive a call. You can answer it or end the call. Okay, so it works with the Bluetooth call. Okay, but we'll try the message or the speaker later on. Okay, we have here a missed call. Okay, call logs, we have it here. Okay, dial pad. How about contacts? Let's see. Okay, it's now dialing. We can receive it here later on if it works. Okay, seems like the speaker is not that good. Okay, and so the phone book works. How about the dial pad? Let's see. 0969615839. Okay, so we can receive a call here from our Samsung, as you can see. And okay, so the last one. Okay, we'll call someone or we'll call the other phone and let's see if this thing works. Okay, or we will call the number for the smartwatch and we will answer it here on our smartwatch. Okay, so let's try the last one. Let's answer a call. Okay, and let's see if the speaker is good or not. So I'm going to dial the number here, and let's answer the call here on our smartwatch. Okay, so it's now calling, and as you can see here, we have a call. So let's answer. Hello, hello, hello. This is a call from Sam. Okay, goodbye. Okay, seems like the speaker is not that really good. Okay, but I think if you are closer to the smartphone, okay, maybe the call is also good. So let's see. Let's have another one again. Okay, so let's check. Let's see if we can have a clear call. So we'll dial the number and answer it again here on our smartphone. Okay. Hello. Hello. This is a call from the smartphone to the smartwatch. Okay. Goodbye. Okay. So it's just okay. It's not that clear compared to other smartwatches, but so far it works. And I can understand the info so far. It's loud. Okay. So that's it for the Bluetooth call of the Z78 Ultra smartwatch, as well as the SMS app notifications. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Bye.